Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install XAMPP on the computer. In order to install XAMPP on your computer, you first have to download the XAMPP. So I am going to download XAMPP here. So I am going to open the XAMPP website, and this is the XAMPP. Here you will see the XAMPP for PHP 7.4, PHP 8, PHP 8.1, etc. You can download any one as you want, then you can update. I am going to download this one, for example, and if I click to download any one, you will see that the download is running and an exe file is going to be downloaded. You see that this is an exe file, it is going to be downloaded. I am not going to show you the download process because this is very easy. You will just get an exe file. After getting the exe file downloaded, then you will just double click on that exe file and an interface will come in front of you, and then you just click next, and that XAMPP will be downloaded on your computer. It will ask you where you should download XAMPP, then you will select any location. In my case, I selected the D XAMPP where I want to install the XAMPP. So my XAMPP is into the D drive, and this is the XAMPP folder contents. All are the XAMPP folder contents. You will see here an htdocs folder, and here I will write the PHP codes. For example, I create a file here and to run, for example, a.php. I just created a PHP file here and I want to write some codes here. Now I open this a.php with any editor as you want. For example, I write here some codes. Echo I am fine. For example, I write these codes. This is a.php. Then I save this file. Now if I want to run this file, that means a.php file, then what I will need to do? I will have to open my browser, and then I will have to write localhost and then a.php. If I run the localhost a.php, you see that this is not working and this site cannot be reached is showing, because after installing the XAMPP, you will see a XAMPP control panel. Here you see that XAMPP control.exe. Just double click here and you will see that a control panel is coming in front of you. So from here you just start the Apache. If you need MySQL, then you can start the MySQL also, then it will run. And now if I go back to my web browser and then click to refresh, and then you see that I am fine, this is working. That means now the PHP code is working well. But before running the PHP code, you must become careful that if the XAMPP control panel is running or not. So if you want to stop it, you can again go to click on stop and this on stop, and now if you again want to run that, you will see the error again. That means it will not run. I hope you have understood how to install and use XAMPP. Also, after installing XAMPP, if you want to run the database phpMyAdmin, you will have to write here the localhost /php then myadmin. Okay, this one. Then just click on enter, and then it will not run because I stopped the XAMPP. So I will have to run the XAMPP control panel, and from here you have to run MySQL. Then you will see that the MySQL, that means the phpMyAdmin interface where I will control the database list. So this one comes here and running well. From here you can create your new database and run all other operations here. So this is in short about XAMPP, and I hope you have understood this video.